What's up everyone, Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way that you can earn money online with AI and ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how to get started. I'm going to show you how that you can have us build out these infrastructures for you and or your business. Now I want to talk about the first thing you want to do in order to get started with this AI marketing method, and that is to get the digital playbook. See right here on the screen, you'll get access to the VIP checklist, access to different prompts that I use to create my short form content, a list of 130 plus AI tools you can get paid to promote. You'll get a list of done for you short form videos you can use. These are all AI generated. I give them to you. And then also there is just a library right here with some other really cool free stuff. Now, if you want all of this stuff completely for free, all you have to do is just drop a comment, leave a like, let me know you're taking action, subscribe, and I will send you access to all of this right now in a response. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Once you go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com, click on get the checklist, you'll get taken to the Make Money Online. This is our group right here. There's 430 people in here, but I will be putting a paywall on this soon just because the people in here I want to be taking action. So once you join, you'll go to here. This is where you'll be able to see the checklist. We have announcements. I also host the digital playbook in here. This is a chat that we have, just questions, live stream, members only. So this is some where I post videos that I'm not able to post on YouTube, but this is where you'll be able to have direct communication with me and also people that also have the same goals as you and wanting to learn how to make money online. So once you get access, you're going to want to start at the VIP checklist. Now this is just an overview YouTube video, but the first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and go high level. This is the CRM that I use, and I picked this one because I've been using this for a couple years now, so all the automations and systems that I have, we're able to import into your own account through something called a snapshot. So once you would log in, sign up, create your account, you would then hit right here. This is going to allow you to import all my funnels, marketing systems, everything directly into your own account. So all you would do is just hit yes, import that, and then you'll get taken to a screen that looks like this. It'll be just a dashboard right here, and obviously you're not going to have anything, no numbers since you're brand new, but over here on the left side are going to be the three areas that we're going to talk about: marketing, automations, and sites. Marketing, that's where you're able to schedule out all your content in a social planner. Automations, that's where the email automations and sequences are. And then sites, that's where the funnels, front end stuff is going to be. So before we pick out the funnels and everything, you need to figure out what type of tool or what type of service you're going to be promoting. Now, two ones up here are just essential tools for what I've been using, but any of the ones in the top picks that you're able to be an affiliate for and promote these tools by driving traffic. So the tool that I've been really liking is called Traffic ID. And what it allows you to do is just by putting a simple code on your website, you'll get leads just from people landing on your landing page, and they don't even have to opt into anything. So if you would want to become an affiliate for this program, most of these softwares, if you scroll down to the bottom, they'll have something where it says be an affiliate. Boom, it would take you to a place where you can sign up, and then you'll get a code or a URL that looks like this. This is going to be what you're going to be wanting to send traffic to. So going back to the checklist, you have created your account, you have the snapshot, and now you need to create the different social media pages. I'd assume you have a Gmail, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So YouTube or Instagram and Facebook would be the two main ones, and then YouTube Shorts as well. You don't have to start with long form, but definitely start by posting some shorts on YouTube. After that, we need to start creating content. So you create all these different accounts, and if you need tutorials on how to set everything up, I have that for you over here. But the next thing you want to do is you want to start creating content. So there's a couple ways you can do that. You can either do the replicate route, which is how I show you down here in the tutorials, but what I do is I just create AI generated images of myself, put those together in a 30-second video, and that is what I do as far as pumping out volume. But for you guys to get started, since maybe you don't want to use replicate, or that is a process of setting up, is I give you these videos right here where all you have to do is go in, download 4 or 5, since they're about 5 seconds each, and then you'll put them together in CapCut, And that is how you make the short form content. So this is just an example I'll show you of what it would look like.
These are the top 3 websites that feel illegal to know. Digitalplaybook.com. This 300 plus tools that you can get paid to promote with bot.
So something super simple like that. And then at the very end, we're sending traffic to a landing page, which is going to allow them to put in their information to get, in my case, I'm selling the digital playbook. You guys could also sell the digital playbook, but whatever your offer or service is, you want to send them to a landing page that looks like this. So you're able to get their first name and email. Once you have that stuff downloaded, you're going to need to go back into your CRM software, go high level, and let's go back over here. You're going to want to go to sites, and then this is going to be the demo funnel. What this is basically a landing page. So some type of title, and then on this landing page, you're going to want some type of long form video. A lot of the people that are going to be on here came from some type of short form content, which I just showed. So to give them even more value, since the short form is just to grab their attention, you're going to want to have a long form video just explaining more in depth about what they're going to be getting. Then right here is just the simple pop-up funnel. And then once they put in their information, click here to start. That is when they get put into an automation. So an automation or an email sequence is just that, an email sequence that has emails scheduled out. One that I have made for you guys is called the new email opt-in. And this one has, I want to say like 60 emails already scheduled out for you guys. And all you need to do is just go in here, add a trigger. Now it could be something like contact created. So that means every time a contact is created, they get imported into this funnel. So going over to marketing, this is where the social planner is. And this is where you're going to go here and connect all of your social media accounts so you can schedule everything out. So what you need to do is this is different social media accounts. We're going to go to settings, and you're going to have to connect your accounts. Pretty self-explanatory. Connect your accounts, and then you're going to want to head over here to the calendar, and then you're not going to have anything scheduled out, obviously, but you would hit new post, create new post, pick the social media accounts you want. You can use ChatGPT to figure out the type of descriptions that you want, and then you would click on this little video thing. Excuse me, you would click on the video thing, and then you would hit upload, and then wherever you downloaded the videos, that's where you would upload them, and then you would import, and voila, you have, I'm not gonna import it, but then you would have your video ready to go. This was a simple walkthrough, kind of going through everything high level. If you want to get the digital playbook, like I said, just hit the link in the description. You'll get taken to this group right here. You have access, direct communication with myself. And if you need help setting anything up, just shoot me a quick DM. But that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros. I'm going to see you in the next one.